the old stone keep. The walls remember what the graves still keep. Every swing of my hammer bleeds aside, and the dust moves slow like something alive. I don't pray much, I just work away for the sound beneath to whisper my faith. They say I build for ghosts, not men, but the dead still breathe through my hands again. I ain't building walls to stand, I'm carving hearts out of dust and sand. Every crack, every scar, every call is my soul that beats inside these walls. If I vanish, don't call my name, the silence will tell you I came. The motor hums like a hidden song, sweat turns black where I touch the comb. I hear a pulse beneath the stone, feels too much like my very own. It breathes with me, it steals my air until I can't tell who's trapped down there. The harder I work, the less I'm free. The wall ain't stone, it's becoming me. I ain't building walls to last, I'm framing echoes of my past. Every brick's a sin I call, and my panic beats inside these walls. If I'm gone, don't mourn, don't pray, the breath you hear took me away. Oh, I built this place to keep me whole, now it's eating slow through my soul. Every thought, every gasp, every cry is a hymn that refuses to die. I am both the maker and the made, the last confession the darkness laid. I ain't building walls for fame, I'm just giving silence a name. Every beat inside that hall is my heart still pounding through the wall. And if the storm begins to weep, there's me, learning how to sleep. He lived alone where the echoes fade, walls still whisper the names he made. Empty chairs and dust in the light, every night he fights so quiet inside. He said if silence had a sound, it'd be their voices circling round. He kept the laughter in a glass jar tight, like a prayer call on the pale moonlight. When the world turned cold, he'd twist that lid and let the ghost remind him why he lived. He wasn't broken, just learning to breathe, with echoes of love and never leave. The neighbor saw him smile at it, a man who lost but still dared to care. Faith and grief were one in his chest. He built his heaven where he once had rest. He whispered pain don't, and it just learns to sing. And open the jar, let the war begin. found what he was searching for. Not the past, not the pain, but the grace to fall and rise again. Through it all, he kept the laughter in a glass jar bright. Now the jar's gone, but his soul's in light. He left the world with a smile so wide. He didn't die, he just crossed to the other side. I sit by a name carved in wax and glass. Talk to the gold that time couldn't pass. Her touch is gone, but the silence bleeds. So I whisper my sin where her memory sleeps. If faith's a song, is a crack in my chest, still beats for her, won't let me rest. I heard my heart through another's ear, like thunder breaking through the field. Draws near in every echo that I hold dear. I don't love the dead, I love what stayed in the hollow sound of yesterday. I kneel and pray to the piece of her they didn't take away. The wax melts slow, the truth drips deep. I beg her voice to wake my sleep. If guilt's a God, then I'm his song. Been singing to the dark too long. I heard my heart through another's ear and felt a breath in the atmosphere. It ain't salvation, it's the pain I steer. That carried me on. You walked through storms that rose from the ground, where the sky fell silent, but the earth still sounds. Each step you took bled through the clay, carrying faith the clouds couldn't wash away. They called you mad for standing tall, but only the broken never rise at all. You raise your flag in the reaper's rain, where heaven cried but hell felt pain. You burned so bright the dark turned pale, a sinner who learned his faith through hell. You didn't fight to win the crown, you fought to stand while the world bowed down. Your hands were cracked, your eyes were steel. You knelt to nothing, you learned to kneel. The mud became your altar stone. The storm your choir, the wind your throne. Every drop that hit your face turned into fire, turned into grace. You raised your flag in the reverse rain. Angels wept, but devils sang. You held the flame that refused to fade, a heart reborn from the mess you made. You didn't stand to prove you're right, you stood so others could find their When the sky flipped down and drowned the ground, you became the sound that turned it around. And even when your body fell, the flag kept burning. The world could tell. You raised your flag.